First time updating your Vortex detector? Here are a couple of quick tips. Be sure to check out Garrett's Vortex Updates and Upgrades video online. It shows you how to visit Garrett Direct, select the Updates and Upgrades section, and download the Garrett Updater app. It is always recommended to use the latest version of the Garrett Updater app. If you launch your updater and see a notice like this, that a new version of Garrett Updater is available, please take a minute and update your updater for best results. Updating your Vortex is handled once you're logged into this app. All you need is your Vortex with a sufficient battery charge showing at least 2 bars of power and a proper high-speed data cable for the update. So one thing to take note of is using the proper type of cable to do your Vortex update. When your Vortex was shipped with you, you got a high-speed data cable. On one end you see the name Garrett embossed into it, and stamped on the other end you see the USB icon. That is a good data cable. Now, I've got plenty of cables at home that look very similar. I can charge my USB devices like my phone. They work for charging, but they're not made for high-speed data. So be sure you use the proper Garrett cable that came with your Vortex, and your updates should be simple.